Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find the clock and tap on it. Then click on alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon. After that, set up an hour. When you're ready, click on days of the week that you wish to set up and scroll down. Then click on the switchers next to all of those features, alarm sound, vibration or snooze, to enable or disable them. When you're ready, click on vibration and select one of those vibration patterns by tapping on the best one and going back. You can also click on snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you're ready, click on the back button and choose alarm sound. Over here, you can pick one of those options. For example, link your Spotify account over here or choosing ringtone. Now select allow in the pop-up and and pick one of those melodies like Moon Discovery. If you wish to set up that one, just go back and tap on save. But you can also choose alarm sound, click on ringtone and tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Then select music from your smartphone, click on the song, tap down at the top right corner and go back. You can also adjust the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right over here. After that, go back, label your alarm however you wish to and save it by clicking on save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, tap on delete icon at the bottom and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!